Hey everyone, this is a Harbor Breeze Mayfield ceiling fan. I've heard that these are not great fans, but we'll see how this one is. I know these just have like mounting bracket issues mainly. It's honestly not the worst, like I don't mind it. It's a 44-inch Harbor Breeze, and these usually go a decent speed and move okay air, so we'll see how this one is. That is actually quite fast for a low speed. I don't really feel any air from it though, unfortunately. But it is a pretty fast low speed. Let's go to medium. No, that's Cooper barking. This one's pretty fast. Yeah, it wobbles. I know these have like wobbling issues. It does not really move much air though. And here's high. Oh yeah, it has quite the wobble problem. Oh, the whole thing is wobbling. You see that? It goes pretty fast. It blows air, but not as much as it should for this fast of a speed. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye.